Hi everyone, my name is Chris and I'm from Need for Spread. Welcome to my channel and welcome in today's video. I hope you all had a good Christmas time with your loved ones, but now it's time to go back to business because the markets are again open and how we can profit from the market fluctuation. As you can see here on CoinMarketCap, we can have a look on Bitcoin, Ethereum, and all the other cryptocurrencies. And as you can see here, we have a big way up in the last 7 days. As you can see, Bitcoin is up with 10.50% in the last 7 days. Ethereum 6.84% up. We have Binance Tether 0.04, Solana 16.59% up, and so on. Cardano 29.30%. And if we go here on Bitcoin, we can see that we have here big ups and downs here. As you can see from here, from 50 percent, where is it? This is 7. Let's put it on 7 days. We have this big up here, strike from 47.176 to 48.649. Here we have this big up from 49.077 to way up to 50.982. So what that means? That means profit for us, crypto traders, and how we can profit from these ups and downs from crypto market, but not only from crypto market, also from forex market fluctuation. Stay here until the end of this video to see how. And if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and also hit the notification bell. In this way you'll be notified every time I'm uploading new videos. So that being said, without further ado, let's jump into the video. All right, guys. And the answer to the question how to profit from crypto market and also forex market fluctuation is, of course, Crypto Droid Pro. Yes, you heard me well. Crypto Droid Pro is the new release trading software. I bet you heard about Crypto Droid because I made a lot of video about it, and now it's time to use Crypto Droid Pro. Why? Because this is an improved version of older version of Crypto Droid. And what is Crypto Droid Pro? For those of you who are new to my channel, this is an automated trading software. That means by the push of a button you are able to place the trades into your broker account. Now let me go ahead and I'll go inside Crypto Droid Pro into my dashboard. And here we go, here we are. This is the Crypto Droid dashboard, and here you will see trading signals. It is very simple to use. You need to get to put on signals. You'll get signals here, and just click and on any signal you want to place, and you will see open trades here and also trading history here. And these are the trades that I've placed today. As you can see here, I have 9 trades placed, and from 9 trades 3 are out of the money and 6 in the money, which is a good profitability ratio. Let's have a look. We have GBP USD, which was a sell. It is a losing trade. Euro USD, a sell, winning trade. Canadian dollar, Japanese yen, a sell, winning trade. GBP, Canadian dollar, a sell, winning trade. XRP USD, a buy, winning trade. Australian dollar, US dollar, a buy, losing trade. US dollar, Japanese yen, a buy, losing trade. Bitcoin USD, a buy, winning trade. And New Zealand dollar, US dollar, it is a buy also, which is a winning trade. At this point, we can trade with only $50 per trade using this particular trading software, Crypto Droid Pro, but they promise that in the near future they will add more trading values, so you'll be able to trade more or with less amount than $50, but that's no problem. You can start your account and you can start grow it. If you want to use this trading software, you need to click here on the deposit button, and if you click here it will take you to your assigned broker account. And as you can see, my broker, it is DAX base. So the only thing that you have to do after you click the button, it will take you to your assigned broker account, and you have to top up you have to deposit the minimum required $250, and then you will be able to use the trading software. I started this account with $250, and now, as you can see, I have $2,350 in only 2 weeks of using this trading software. It is unbelievable. So I will make another live trading session today. I already made one as I showed you. Let's put this on. So get signals, put on, and you will see signals here in this trading signal box, and voila, that's it. The first one is Bitcoin Euro, and all you have to do is to click on trade here, and that's it. And now we can see here the trade Bitcoin Euro in this trading box. Another one, Ethereum Euro. So the cryptos, we have more crypto trades, more crypto signals in this second trading session. For those of you who don't know Crypto Droid Pro, as you can see, we have currency pairs. You can select or deselect in any cryptocurrency, in any currency pair or cryptocurrency pair. If you want to trade with only with forex pairs, you deselect or cryptocurrency pairs, or vice versa. It's up to you. Here you can try the demo account. This is the demo, and as you can see, this how it looks. You have a $1,500 and you can try demo account. It's the same condition, but you have virtual money inside. Here is the trading chart. You can switch it on whatever trading chart you want on, for example, Australian dollar, US dollar, and you can see the chart here. And these are live news, because this trading software, it's using fundamental analysis and also technical analysis to provide the best signals. And we have four more signals. XRP USD, let's click on it. It is a buy. Australian dollar US dollar, a buy. And Ethereum US dollar, a buy. And Canadian dollar Japanese yen. So be careful when on expiring time of the signals. As you can see here, we have the expiring time. So if this is less than 20 seconds, then it is better not trade that signal. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 trades. Let's wait for one or two more, and that's it for today's trading session. Don't be greedy, don't place more than 20 trades per day, because that means you will overtrade, and you never know how the market moves. Bitcoin USD, another one, and let's wait for one more, and that's it. And that's it. This is the easiest way to profit from the market's fluctuation, also crypto market and forex market. And we have Euro GBP, it is a buy, and let's place this one, and that's it. That's all the trades for today. Another one. This is the simplest way to profit from the market fluctuation, forex market, and also crypto markets. I never seen such a simple and easy to use trading software like Crypto Droid Pro. So from my experience, I know that this will take some time in order to close these trades. I will be back to you in 1 second with the results of today's trading session. So stay here, don't go. Right, everyone. So I'm back with today's trading results using Crypto Droid Pro. And as you can see, we still have 4 trades to close. We have Ethereum USD, Euro AUD, Bitcoin USD, and Euro GBP. As you can see here in open trades box. And let me go ahead and let's have a look what was happening with the other trades that I already placed. Let me go ahead here in this box. This is what I don't like. If I have to say something bad about Crypto Droid Pro, is that I need to go here in the left or right to see what was happening. And one trade out of the money, as you can see here, and another one, it was closed. And we still have 3 more trades to close. Let's wait for the other ones, for these 3 trades to close, and then we will have a look. And another one, Euro GBP, is closed. Let's see it here. Let's see if we can see it here. And yes, Euro GBP is closed and in the money, as you can see. Euro GBP. Let's see the other one. And Euro AUD is closed also. Euro AUD, as you can see it here, out of the money. And we still have one more trade, this Ethereum USD. Let's wait for this one to close, and this one is closed also, and in the money this one. So in this second session we started with 2,100 here on profit, and now we have 2,350. So $250 profit in this second session plus 300 from the first trading session. We had $550 profit in today's trading session using Crypto Droid Pro, the new released Crypto Droid Pro trading software. That means $50 per trade. And let's have a look for each trade in part. We have this XRP USD. It was a winning trade. Bitcoin Euro winning trade. Canadian dollar Japanese yen a buy winning trade. Ethereum Euro buy sell, sorry, winning trade. Australian dollar US dollar a sell, losing trade. Bitcoin USD a sell, winning trade. Euro GBP winning trade. Euro AUD a buy, losing trade. And Ethereum USD, it was a buy and also a winning trade. So what we can see here, that all of the crypto trades were in the money. Bitcoin, Euro, so all the currency, all the crypto trades were in the money. So in my next trading session, that means tomorrow, I will put on off all these forex pairs, and I will leave only cryptocurrency pairs to see the results that I gain. Maybe I will get a 100% winning ratio. Wait and see. But overall I'm very pleased with what I see so far. We're using Crypto Droid Pro. So that was the video for today. If you want to try Crypto Droid Pro, I'll put a link below this video in the description area for you to be easier to access it. It will take you to this page here. Click on the deposit button. It will take you to your assigned broker account. Deposit the minimum $250 and you will get access to this unbelievable trading software. So if you have question, put a question below this video in the comments area or email me at crissbrag@gmail.com. If you like the video, give me a like and also share this video to your friends. Don't be greedy, and I'll see you in the next video. Have a great day. Bye.